In this video, you'll learn how to create a multi-vendor food ordering app using WordPress. This process will guide you through the essential steps to set up your application effectively. Begin by navigating to the WordPress.com website. On the homepage, locate the section labeled Sites and click on it. This action will direct you to a dashboard displaying your existing sites, if any. Next, look for the button labeled Create with AI on your screen. Clicking this button will initiate the AI site creation process, which is designed to simplify the setup of your food ordering app. Once you click Create with AI, you will see an option titled Laying the Foundations. Select this to proceed. This step is crucial as it sets the groundwork for your application. After making your selection, be prepared to wait for the AI to load the necessary components. You may notice a loading indicator, which signifies that the system is processing your request. Following the loading phase, a message will appear stating, "Make a website as unique as you." This prompt indicates that you are on the right track to customizing your app. Now type in "Create a multi-vendor food ordering app" in the provided text field. This input is essential as it defines the primary purpose of your application. After entering the text, click on the Enter key to confirm your input. This action will trigger the next phase of the setup process. A message will appear confirming that WordPress.com can create a multi-vendor food ordering app. This confirmation validates your previous steps and reassures you of the application's capabilities. Next, you will be prompted to choose the option displayed above. Make your selection carefully as it will dictate the features of your app. Click Enter again to proceed after making your choice. This action will lead you to the next input stage. You will then encounter a prompt asking, "What should your website be called?" This is where you will define the site title that will be visible in the browser tab. Type in the desired name for your site in the provided text box. Choosing a memorable name is important for your branding. Once you have entered the site name, click Enter to confirm. This will move you to the next question regarding your site's tagline. You will now see a message asking for a tagline or description that should show in search results and social previews. This tagline should reflect the purpose of your app. Type in a concise tagline that describes what your app offers. A clear and engaging tagline can attract potential users. After entering the tagline, click Enter to proceed. This action will confirm your input and prepare you for the final steps. Next, click on Create My Site to finalize the setup process. This action will initiate the creation of your multi-vendor food ordering app. You will then see a prompt saying, "Please wait, your site is brewing." This message indicates that the system is currently generating your app. Be patient as this process may take some time. You might notice a loading screen indicating that the app is being prepared for you. Wait for the system to generate your app. Depending on your internet speed and the complexity of the app, this might take a while, so ensure your connection is stable. Finally, once the app has been generated, you will be notified that the process is complete. You can now explore your newly created multi-vendor food ordering app. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.